Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do another Boxy charm unboxing as well as a try on. And for those who don't know what Boxy charm is, it is a monthly $21 subscription and you do get 5 to 6 full-size products, and the value of the box is $100 or more. So it does give you a chance to try new products. So if you want to know what I got in my box and how it performs, just keep on watching. So as you can see already, again, I look crazy. I only have my foundation, setting powder, concealer, eyebrow, basically anything that is not in the box. That way I can perform a full look. So the first thing that I do see in my box, which when you open up your box, this is how it's going to look. As soon as you open it up, it's going to look like this. It's gonna have your card, as well as a little foam protector and your products in here. So the first thing in my box is the Briogeo leave-in hair mask. It is a spray-in leave-in mask, which is pretty cool. It says don't despair, repair. So this values for $16 and it is a 2-ounce bottle. I am super excited to try this product, although I will not be trying it right here on camera, but I will try it later on, as well as I will give my opinion on my Snapchat. So be sure to be following my social media because I do talk a lot about products on my Snapchat and my Instagram. The next product that I received is the Ahava hand cream, and this is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. It does value for $10. So let's see. Put it on and see how moisturizing it is. It is animal cruelty free, as well as this product is vegan, so that is nice. And it smells good. It kind of reminds me of something that you would like find in a hotel, like when they leave like hand lotions and stuff in the hotel. It's nothing flowery or over scented. It's not a bad scent either, but doesn't smell like, well, it's Dead Sea, so it's not like it smells like vanilla or anything like that. And for the most part, my hands do feel nice and moisturized. They feel a little bit on the greasy side, but maybe it does have to like absorb in a bit before the greasiness goes away. So we'll be able to see. So the third product that I received in my Boxy charm is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And this is what it looks like. It says 96% said lashes look stretched, 96% said they saw dramatic volume and length. Also 96% saw plumper looking lashes, 100% saw a fuller lash line. So I am super excited to try this mascara out because I am on the hunt for a super good mascara, just because I'm not a false lash girl. Like, I do wear false lashes here and there, but I do not wear them all the time with all my makeup looks. So I am looking for that mascara that gives you the false lash look, which I know there's not going to be a mascara that gives you the exact false lash look, but really similar, you know what I mean? This product I am super excited for. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is in Bow and Arrow, which, if I'm not mistaken, I do believe that this is one of Jaclyn Hill's one of her favorite liquid lipsticks, and I am super excited because I don't have any of the Kat Von D products yet. And so this is what it looks like. It is such a nice look to me. It looks like a cool tone brown nude liquid lipstick. So I am super excited to try that. And last but not least, the fifth product that I received in my Boxy charm, which I believe almost everyone did, is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Now this does have, I believe, a highlight, bronzer, blush side, as well as a eyeshadow. I think it's like 6 eyeshadows. So we are going to open this bad boy up and see what is inside. I do apologize. The mascara is $24 and the Midnight Masquerade palette is $38. So roughly, averagely, everything added together, I believe it's like $108, the value of the box for this month, and this is the October box. Don't you hate the little sticker tapes that they have to put on everything? Oh God. Oh, okay. Oh my God. It's like Christmas. You just want to rip it open. Okay, you know what? I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Okay. Great. Okay, finally. So this is the actual packaging of it. It is cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly. Love. And when you open up the palette, this is what it looks like. It looks beautiful. Like, this is going to be most likely an eyeshadow shade for me. I think this is going to be too deep, but I would be able to use this as a highlight, blush, and bronzer, and then these shades look absolutely beautiful. So I am super excited to dig into this palette and create a look for you guys. So what I noticed right away is there is no like good transition shade in the palette. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the brown, which is called Sneak Peek, and I'm going to take it with a very light hand, and I'm just going to dab into that with a blending brush, and I'm just going to do very light hand, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to put that in the crease. Now if you go in with a very light hand, you will be able to pull this off as a transition shade. And then whatever is left on your brush, that's when you're going to take it just a little bit higher and just blend. That way you get that faded look. Same thing on the other side. Oh my God, this palette, like, let me just swatch some of these for you. So I know that I just did a like mauve look on my channel already, which was, I believe, my last video. But this purple is calling my name, and purple is my favorite color. So I feel like I just have to use it in this look today. So next, I'm just going to actually take this color right here. This is the Blush and Reveal. And I'm actually going to take that as an eyeshadow and just kind of deepen up my crease with that color. Now it is a little bit of a satin finish. It is not matte, but we will make it work. Okay, so next I'm going to take this color right here, which is in Disguise. And this is that beautiful, beautiful purple. So I'm just going to use a Mana Beauty flat brush. This is what it looks like, just so you can see the head of it. And I'm just going to dab into there. So I'm just going to get some in there. And there's a little bit of fallout, but not too much, which is okay. So I can already tell that you are going to need to wet your brush or just apply it with your fingers. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of getting a base down of it, like in the crease, kind of. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my finger, which I usually like to use anyways. So I'm just gonna take my blending brush and just kind of... So I'm actually going to go into this color right here, which is Twilight, and just use this as my inner corner and my brow bone highlight. Next, I'm going to do the bottom lash line, which I'm just going to go in with that same color. I'm going to go in with Sneak Peek, and I'm just going to use a smaller blending brush. It's a little faster to buff it out. And then I'm going to go into the same blush, which is Reveal. And basically do the same thing. Now this eyeshadow palette does have a bit of like fallout. You can see like the glitter over here. So to prevent the most glitter fallout that you can, I would just recommend using a makeup glitter glue. Just put a little bit on the eyelid and then put the sparkling eyeshadows on your eye. That way you don't get as much fallout as I just did. So I just quickly wiped most of it away, and then I'm actually going to go in with the Superhero mascara, which I am so excited to try. I know a few people do rave about this, so we'll see how good it is. So I'm just gonna do my little trick that I always do. I'm gonna do my lower lashes first, let it dry, and then I will go back in later on for the top lashes. While that's drying, I'm gonna go back in the palette and I'm actually gonna just finish up my face. So I'm gonna go into Enchantment, which is the bronzy blush color right here. So I think these were just kind of made as blushes and this was made as a highlighter, but I'm actually gonna try to use this as a bronzer. I'm not sure if it's gonna be too much, but we will see. Okay, yeah, that is not good bronzer. So it's a little more pigmented than I thought it would be, which is good, but definitely picked too much up. So all I did was just kind of mostly focus it on the outer cheeks because it is shimmery, and then of course I did try to apply a little bit to the forehead just to warm up the whole face, but it is just way too shimmery for me anyways to use as a bronzer. It is a nice color, but the shimmer in it is just way too intense. It's not even like that natural glow shimmer, it's just like bam, shimmer and glitter. It basically has the highlighter shimmer in it. So next I'm gonna go in with Twilight, which is a nice highlighter shade, and I'm just gonna focus that on the high points of my cheeks. I think that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna actually apply a blush to my cheeks just because I feel like there's no blush that would really go with the look. I mean, there is this blush, but it's just too dark for my actual cheeks. This one I just feel like wouldn't go with the look. And then this one is the one that we already applied, and then the highlighter. Okay, so I did apply the mascara and I already love how it makes my eyelashes look. You can see they already look a lot longer than what they were. Now obviously I do have to do the wear test to see if it flakes or anything, but for the most part I am already in love with how it actually makes my lashes look. Alright, so last but not least we are going to apply which it's kind of like a nude, so hopefully it'll go with the look. But this is the Bow and Arrow Kat Von D liquid lipstick. I pretty much loved everything. The palette though is very shimmery, very glowy. The only matte shade in the whole entire palette is this color right here. So if you're actually going to use this for your whole face, you are going to be very, very glowy, just because I feel like the blush has the same amount of shimmer as the actual highlight does. So I feel like it kind of clashes a bit. And then the eyeshadow is very shimmery as well. But for the most part, the shadows and the blushes are very pigmented. I just don't think that I probably wouldn't use everything together at once. But if I want like a certain eyeshadow look, I would be more than happy to go back into this palette and do more looks with it. For the mascara, I do like how it made my lashes look. They do look longer, they do look fuller. So I am excited to keep playing with it, keep using it, and see how it wears throughout the day. The liquid lipstick I do like already as well. It did dry down to a matte. My lips do feel a little bit tight, but nothing too uncomfortable where they feel super dehydrated. So I am excited to see how it wears as well. Hopefully it doesn't crumble or fade weirdly when I'm eating. And the color is coming off a little bit darker on camera, but it is a little bit more on the natural nude side in person. But yeah, it's definitely a little darker on camera. So yeah, the hand cream, my hands no longer feel greasy anymore. So the cream did absorb into my skin and it doesn't have that residue left over. And I wasn't able to try the hair mask yet, so I will let you guys know what I think about it on my Snapchat. So this is the final look of all the makeup products that were inside the box. Thank you so much guys for sitting down and spending some time with me today. Let me know what you got inside your box if you have the Boxy Charm subscription. Let me know what your favorite products are. If there's any other looks that you want me to do with the eyeshadow palette, any of the colors that you want me to use, just comment below and let me know. As well as don't forget to like and subscribe. I would highly appreciate it. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit the little notification bell on the side as well. That way you will get alerted every single time I upload. Until the next video guys, bye.